is your girl Angelle, and welcome back to
Leveled Looks.
Today I have another unboxing. Okay, it is another purse, as you can tell by the title, and I am very excited about this one because when I saw it, I was just like, oh, something about this I just love. So here is the box. Okay, I did order my bag from Farfetched, and that was my first time ordering from them. It came from I ordered from Farfetch UK, obviously, and it shipped from Italy. It took about a week to get here. It would have got here a lot sooner, but it was Easter weekend, and Monday and Friday were both bank holidays, and don't nothing in the UK, don't nothing happen on bank holidays. Okay, so I did I cheated just a little bit. I opened up the box, but I didn't like unwrap the bag. So we have something some like bubbles something. Then we have a card. It says vitcat.com. Thank you for shopping at VitCat. Okay, then it is all wrapped up. I can honestly say I've never like gotten a bag that was so like well packaged and well maintained. You know, I'm used to like going to the store, picking up the bag, they throw it in a little plastic bag, and they're like, girl, be on your jolly way. So here is the invoice for it. So I did pay £307. Actually, I paid more than that. And I'm saying I actually didn't pay. This was actually a gift from Darius, so thank you. But I know the total was £395. Well, actually, with that tax, it came up to £400, and converted in USD was like about $550. So this bag was about $550. The most expensive bag that I own to date. Okay, so we'll unwrap this. I mean, look at all this wrapping. I mean, wow. And y'all, I will say the hardest part about like getting the bag was picking out the color. Okay, y'all, I just had to make sure it was recording. I don't want to like open it up and that shit not recording. It's like, oh. Okay, how do we? Alright. Okay, so that's out of